Good morning, dear students. Students, we are reading Lesson 5, The Journey of Food. In our previous video, we taught about the food which we get from plant. Now, in this video, we will read how food reaches us. Students, the food we get to eat undergoes a number of processes before reaching us, right? And sow seeds into the soil. And the farmer then adds manures to the soil. He also adds fertilizers to the crops. The farmer takes care of the crops. He waters them regularly. This process of watering the crops regularly is known as irrigation. That means farmers जब crops को regularly water देते हैं तो ये process क्या कहलाता है students? This process is called irrigation, right? He also sprays insecticides and pesticides to keep away insects, pests, etc. from his crops. Students, do you know what is insecticides and pesticides? Students, ये वो chemicals या वो medicines हम कह सकते हैं जिनको farmers अपने क्रॉप्स के लिए यूज़ करते हैं. दैट मीन्स इनको स्प्रे करते हैं. जो इनकी क्रॉप्स होती हैं उनमें इनको स्प्रे करते हैं. क्यों स्प्रे करते हैं? ताकि वो छोटे छोटे से जो इंसेक्ट्स होते हैं या और भी कोई अदर पेस्ट होते हैं उनसे अपनी क्रॉप्स को बचाने के लिए इनका स्प्रे किया जाता है. ओके. द ग्रोन क्रॉप्स आर देन कट बाय द farmer. This process of cutting the grown crops is called harvesting. Just look at in this picture. This is called harvesting. Okay. Now this is threshing. The farmer separates grains from the harvested crops and this process is called threshing. Okay. So first is irrigation, next harvesting and then threshing. Okay. After harvesting and threshing, the collected grains are packed and sent to the wholesale market. In the wholesale market, other food items like fruits and vegetables are also brought. Such a big wholesale market is called mandi. From mandi, the grocers or shopkeepers buys the crops in bulk. Finally, we buy food articles according to our needs from these shopkeepers. So students, this is the process how food reaches us from field to our प्लेट. दैट मीन्स जो फूड हमारे लिए बहुत एसेंशियल है वो फील्ड से हमारी प्लेट तक कैसे पहुंचता है. वी टॉट ऑल द पॉइंट्स एंड आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड ऑल द पॉइंट्स वेरी क्लियरली. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आवर नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज हैंडलिंग फूड. इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू हैंडल द फूड we eat properly. We should not let our food get spoiled or wasted. The food we eat should always be fresh. Eating fresh food keeps us healthy. Spoiled or stale food can cause diseases or food poisoning. Students, we can save our food from spoilage by following some सिंपल स्टेप्स. कुछ स्टेप्स को फॉलो करके हम हमारे फूड को स्पॉइल होने से और वेस्ट होने से बचा सकते हैं। स्टूडेंट्स, पॉइंट नंबर 1, always keep the food covered. Point number 2, store the food in refrigerator. Point number 3, store dry items like pulses and rice in airtight containers. Okay, so by following these simple steps, we can save our food from spoilage. Right? Students, our next topic is wastage of food. Students, food should not be wasted in a country like India, where a large part of a population is poor and cannot afford even one proper meal a day. We should try to minimize the wastage of food. We can avoid wastage of food by following some simple steps. Do not put excess food on your plate at home or at parties. Students, cook food according to the number of people to be served. Give leftover food to needy people. Store food properly so that it does not become stale or get spoiled. So students, by following some simple steps, we can avoid wastage of food. Okay, students, now this is the time to read key terms of the chapters. First, cereals. Food grains like rice, wheat, millets, oats and corn are called cereals. Harvesting, a process of cutting grown crops are called harvesting. Threshing, a process of separating grains from harvested crops are called threshing. Students, these are some important points which you have to read and learn carefully, right? A large portion of our food comes from plants. We eat cereals like rice, oats, corn, millets and wheat. Fruits, vegetables and pulses are grown by farmers in their fields. Spices add flavor to our food. The food crops are grown by farmers in a field. The grown crops are harvested, threshed, packed and sent to a wholesale market. The shopkeepers or grocers buy crops in bulk from a wholesale market. We should store food properly so that it does not get spoiled. Spoiled food can cause diseases. And the last point is food should not be wasted. So students, this is the end of this chapter. I hope you understood all the points very clearly. So students, thank you and bye bye.